Hi, WIIT and Meta team. I'm Amelia. I'm from Poland.
Hello Meta team, hello WIT team. My name is Blessing and I'm part of the European team.
Hi, WIT and Meta teams. My name is Marta. I'm from Latvia.
Hi, WIIT Meta team. I'm Victoria and I'm in the UK.
Felt heard as a woman, young woman. We were shown how it is done. Besides the practical part of the project, where we were given the opportunity to learn new programs like Gravity Sketch. I've gained lots of knowledge about the immersive world. Immersive technology. I know how to use Sketchfab thanks to you.
I have been so excited when I first heard about it. I was like, wow, I get to go through 3D things. I get to design stuff. I get to meet new people and I get to meet my team as well. A whole new type of thing that you've never experienced before. So when we first got introduced to Gravity Sketch, that was the part that I was like, oh, so this is how it is, this is how it starts. It's just been so fun.
The thing I loved the most was working with other girls and seeing their thought processes and learning from them in Gravity Sketch or just coming up with ideas. Another thing I liked was meeting people like Ioana Matei and others, because I was able to learn from them and kind of see what their life story was like and think of them like maybe I could be like them someday, because some of the things we have are in common.
Really enjoy being here with the Meta Girls and getting to see all these things and have all these opportunities and design really cool things.